Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. I am Sophia and you're watching to my YouTube channel Sophia Growing. So my beautiful and lovely YouTube family, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome in our new video. So guys, the project that we'll discuss about is very amazing, interesting and a good project. Yes guys, this project will boost up to your online business as well as passionate to your online business in which you earn a lot of money while gaming, playing and enjoying a lot of things in this project. Yes guys, yes, definitely a very unique platform that launched recently for you people. Yes guys, absolutely, we are talking about crypto petals. It's a very amazing project. If you buy this now, then you will get more and more and are a lot of benefit in your future. So guys, in this video I will told you about crypto petals, everything about their white paper, their project features and how it does works, and what are the roadmaps and what are the quarters, etc. Everything about crypto petals. So guys, don't be worried. So guys, before starting a detailed review about crypto petals, I would like to say that please, I requested to you that please subscribe to my channel Sophia Growing and never forget to press the bell icons for future updates. So guys, welcome in our detailed video, welcome in the world, in the universe of crypto battles. Yes guys, first of all we'll see that what is the project features, and x 1.8 of your bet each time you win playing crypto battles. You win 455. Yes guys, take CBT and rewards from the fee pool. CUT tokens are here that stake CBT earn protocol fees. Here you can see that earn referral bonuses with your friends, rewarding crypto tokens 5% from each referral batch. Guys, it's very amazing. If your friend put your referral code, then you will earn 5% from each referral code. How much your friend put their your referral code, you will earn more and more. Here you can see the trade unique NFT game skins are here and how does it works. Choose your hero and make the bet. You can choose to your hero as you want. Here you can see that search the opponent and fight. If you will also search the opponent and then you can fight. Here you can see that win cryptocurrency and farm CW tokens. Here you choose your hero and make the bet. It comes in step 4, and here you can see that what are the roadmap. Crypto Battles game alpha version is released. Wow guys, it's a very good news for you that its alpha version is released. By now Smart Chain support is also released. Referral system is also released. Introduced new in-game token for play to earn features. Here you can also see that game mobile version for MetaMask Android iOS app. In-game features PvP Jewels mode released. In-game tournaments with CBT rewards. And here guys, you can see that it's a white and the season 1 remaining time 11 days, and the reward is here at Sam 2145 Crypto Lord 2142. This is the name of that person who rewards these the queens is in season 1. And here you can see that what is their referral system. Copy your referral link, get your unique referral link, invite friends, share your referral link with your friends and with your friends. When your friends play a game, you earn 5% of their bet each time. Yes guys, it's a very good news for you that you can also earn when your friend play a game while using your referral code. Here you can see that what is comes in quarter 1 2022. Christmas Bitcoin is here. The remaining time is 13/21/12/31. Grand bid amount is here that 13.37853 CBH. My bid amount is 1 CBH, and revenue from failed building is here. In this bid is unsuccessful, you will get 0.6689 CBH. And here you can see that NFT game skins released, NFT marketplace, limited NFT auction, CBT staking and governance, Polygon chain sport and in-game tournaments with CBT rewards. Here you can see that what comes in quarter 2 2022. Here is the crypto battles are here, and Guild's system limited land sale. And in quarter 3, which comes in 2022, you can use also play to earn features, content and land content, NFT stacking, guild content, guild battles, in-game features, PvP contest mode, social features, and mobile app also released in quarter 4 2022. Yes guys, it's a very amazing and a beautiful review about crypto battles. And here can you also see that here's a white paper. You know guys that in white paper there are detailed review about there are detailed information about the project. And in this white paper we will also see the crypto battles detailed. Here is the definition, here is the introduction of crypto battles. So you can see that crypto battles is a revolutionary, a web-based blockchain PvP game launched on the Binance Smart Chain that is available to play from the PC and mobile devices via MetaMask app. The core of the games revolves around rewarding players with in-game tokens and winning rewards in cryptocurrency after playing the PvP duels and tournaments against other players. Before each match, you make the bet and start the opponent's search. After the opponent is found, battle starts. You earn 1.8x of your bet in case you win the fight, and the additional reward in-game tokens that will be used for in-play to earn activities. Guys, it can also charge fee. Yes, a crypto battles charges the 10% fee from each bet and store it in fee pool that will be used to claim the rewards by CBT stakers and future project development. Players will be able to get a unique NFT game skins, use them in game and trade on an open marketplace. They can also win CBT tokens in tournaments or buy them on the open market to stack and earn rewards from the project fee pool. Our vision is for gamers to gain control of their digital assets, play to earn, and increase the adoption of blockchain technology in their everyday lives. Our mission is to provide a fun and profitable experience for our players, to create a healthy and excited community around blockchain gaming, and build an ecosystem of play to earn systems to meet the needs of all gamers around the world. The team chooses to remain anonymous in the spirit of DeFi, but all smart contract codes are open source for all transparency. Guys, here a good news for you that it is a web-based game application. The user will need to have access to the internet to play the game, but here the internet is compulsory for you. All gameplay happens on this link. Crypto battles contracts are deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. The player will need to have a nominal amount of BNB cryptocurrency to pay off transactional gas fees and some amount of BEP20 tokens, and the other tokens are here. To make the bet, they will need to have a wallet of MetaMask, etc., which can store the BNB cryptocurrency and BB20 tokens. The player will need to set up their MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain network, or just add it selecting the BSC network on the website and adding into the MetaMask via pop-up. They will need to secure at a minimum $5 in any BB20 token from the spotted talks list, and less than one and greater than $1 in BNP to make the first bet and play the game. Any of the spotted tokens can be swapped on ApeSwap, PanicaSwap, or similar in pairing with BNB or any other BEP20 tokens. Crypto Battles is first and foremost a blockchain game, which means that the players own their minted NFTs in game skins. The right to sell and trade is wholly owned by the player. Crypto Battles will implement a market to make this process trustless. The player can search skins that have been listed by other players as well as list their own skins. There is a small buyer fee will be added to each transaction. Crypto Battle tokens, which is also known as CBT, is the governance and equity token of the Crypto Battles ecosystem. Users holding CBT can participate in community proposals, stack CBT, and earn rewards from project fee pool. Crypto battles contracts adopt a completely fair distribution systems without private placements or pre-minings. Crypto hash token, which is also known as CHT, will serve as a native game currency for crypto battles. Players will use CHT to acquire skins, breed skins, and to buy and sell on the crypto battles marketplace. Here you can here is the next. While you can if you want to play game, then you can click here. And guys, it's a detailed information which is given in white paper. If we go back, guys, so now you can see that here's the Telegram, Twitter, and Discord links. If you click here, then you will go at their home pages at end of crypto battles, and if you click here play, then you can see that here's they are saying that MetaMask extension not found. So guys, don't be worried, we can read here that visit the official website MetaMask to install it and play crypto battles on your mobile device. So guys, don't be worried, you are very lucky that you can also play it through while having app of the crypto battles. I hope guys that all of you are satisfied with all of my arguments. But if you have any questions, so put your question in comment box. I will give answer to all the questions. So don't be worried. And thank you so much for watching my video.